Hi, welcome. It's the first week of Vlogmas, and in this week's video we're going to be decorating this whole house. So let's get into it. I like to clean the couch. And the entertainment center. Windex, bleach on this couch. Vinegar ain't gonna do it, not with my kids. They're toddlers, they eat on here, they do everything on here. I need some bleach. So let's get into cleaning and decorating. This tree is from Walmart. I got it there 2 years ago and I think they still have them. I saw them in store. My kids decorated the tree. This tray is from the dollar store. I think I bought like 4 of them and I use them all out throughout this house. So this is either from Target or Walmart, I don't remember. And this is old. This little Grinch nutcracker is from Walmart and it's new. I'll link it if I can find it. I got these spotlights from the dollar store. They're just cute to warm up the house. I don't want a Instagram aesthetic house. I want a warm house. I want my house to look like people actually live here. This little tree is also, this is from Target. I got this from their $1 section. I think this was like $2 or $3 a few years ago. And if you guys don't know, I'm the queen of reusing stuff. I love to incorporate old with new. And I like to incorporate themes with other things that I've already done over the years, so I don't have to buy a bunch of stuff every single year. So these green fluffy pillows are from Amazon. They're super cheap, under $15. I love this. I can put them throughout the house when Christmas is done, probably for summer or spring, which is why I got green, and which I think the theme is going to work properly. And also the fluffiness add a bit of texture. We're gonna go in, next we're gonna go in with pillows. These are also from Walmart. They kind of feel like velvet, but they're not. I bought them in a pack of 2. This I bought last year. It comes in a pack of 4. It has the snowflakes like this, and it comes with 2 other pillowcases that has writing. I'll link a picture somewhere in here of them, and I'm going to use these on the couch. So this throw blanket, I got it last year. It's super soft and nice. It's super affordable. I think it was $10. And this is also from Amazon. Amazon soon sponsor me at this point. I'll be adding another pillow here, and it's going to be a small Grinch pillow, but I'm waiting on that to come from Amazon. I don't know what's been going on with Amazon shipping, but they've been slack. So first things first, I like to have a bowl with candy for anybody that comes over. They want something sweet. This is right here. I'm getting my tray. I got this humidifier from Temu, which I will be using. I have 2 winter candles which I like to put on here. This is the Sand and Fog, inspired on California coastal holiday, made with essential oil. I have joy on the top. It's amazing, and I think I spent a measly $12 for this at Walmart. I don't remember if I got it at Walmart, Home Goods, or something like that. So I'm gonna add this one right here. Next, I'm going to get my lighters for my candle. This is also from Amazon. I need to make sure that there's a place for the remote. And I also keep my ring in this tray. If you guys don't know anything about me, know that I am a lover of both real and fake flowers. So anywhere I can incorporate them into my household, I like to incorporate them. This vase is from Walmart. I have some clear marbles in here. It gives the water look without my kids messing with it and trying to spill it everywhere. So this cherry pick is from Michael's. I'm gonna layer them at each side because there are 2 of them. And I like to bend them because this is kind of curved. The star of the show is this bouquet that I got from Walmart. I got it a year ago. So I have some super amazing flowers. I have this little ball. You have some more stuff in here. It's a great fall / holiday bouquet, and I think I paid a little bit of money for it. When I bought it, a lady was asking me where I got it last year, and I had to point her in the right direction. So that's gonna be the star. That's what I'm centering everything around. And these flowers right here, they came in a bouquet that I got from Amazon, and it was a fall bouquet. So I'm just gonna stick these 2 at the side. And then these little sticks, I'm gonna add these for a little razzle dazzle. And then these are gonna give some texture, and they're shiny, glittery. They're gonna give holiday season. I'm gonna put that right at the front. So this is how the bouquet looks right here. And I'm just gonna put it over here. And I tried this stuff on the kitchen cabinets to see if it actually would work, and I'll show you guys the process in depth later. But the living area, my little bar area, is done. So let's get into the kitchen cabinets and the kitchen. What I'm doing is measuring the ribbon, making sure it's even in the back and in the front, and it's in the dead middle of the cupboard. If you want to make it a little bit shorter in the back where it's going to be hidden, that's fine, but I want it to look nice both inside and out, so I made them both even. Now I'm just gonna cut the ribbon and cut 6 pieces because I'm gonna do every other cabinet.
Do you know which number is this one?
Malani, if you jump on the couch one more time.
Where did you get that from? A big tower airplane!
So I'm double siding tape both the ribbon and the bow to the cupboard. So I'm going to use the double sided tape to tape the ribbon to the cupboard on both sides evenly. And then I'm going to use another piece of double sided tape and use that to tape down the ribbon and the bow. I will say this Scotch tape isn't worth anything. I had to get stronger double-sided tape so the ribbons could stay in place. The Scotch tape held up the ribbons okay, but it wasn't holding up the bows. The bows were a little bit too heavy for the Scotch tape. So if you're doing this, get a strong grade double-sided tape to hold up your bows. So that is it. I'm done for today. So this is all the stuff I plan to use right here, and then the stuff in that box right there. The stuff in the box is majority of stuff that's going to be used outside. And then this is what I have extra over here, what I think I'm not going to use, but I think I'm not moving them yet because I need something for that little corner table over there. That's still there. Plus, I'm waiting on some of my stuff from Amazon. So like waiting on the Grinch to go on the tree, and I also have a Grinch pillow coming. So that's gonna finish off the living area. But those are the stuff that I'm waiting on, and then tomorrow I'm gonna finish up. And then as the stuff comes in from Amazon, I'll incorporate it. I'm tired. I'm gonna finish cooking. I'll see y'all later. Hi guys, it's the next day. So today I went to Michael's 5 and Below and Home Goods, and I couldn't find any green stuff. So I'm just gonna start decorating the door and the dining area because I can't find everything I want and Amazon is taking too long. As you guys can see, I'm done up because I had some short form content to do. I'm trying to get into short form content so I can make more fitness content here on YouTube. It's easier for me, and also apply myself a little bit more on Instagram. So yes, and I'm gonna finish. So that's what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna finish doing the decor that I do have until I can find what I want. First things first. So this is some cheap dollar store mesh that I got for $1 from the dollar store. You guys can literally go to Hobby Lobby or Michael's and get some cute. You guys can go to the store and get some cute fabric and do this on your door, but I'm using what I have. Tape to attach this mesh, and I would suggest you attach it at the bottom or the side of the door where it's going to be closed, where you can hide the double-sided tape and this still looks seamless and nice. So this wreath is from Walmart. It's 1 or 2 years old. I'm gonna use it. And if you didn't know, I was saying that I wanted to do 2 bowls, one inside and one outside, but what happened to the other part? Oh my god. So that's how the door looks so far. So good, I think. Girl is definitely going to need some more green mesh for my tree, but I'm not taking down the curtain. I'm gonna wait on Sean. So I'm gonna do diagonal up, then down, diagonal up, then down, diagonal up, then down.
next brand. I'm saying blank with 2 syllables, not 3. I'm telling you, nigga, you better settle down and listen to your daddy. When your mama got to you, you should have said, yes, man, okay, mom, you right. You right, mom. Yeah, nah, nigga, see what's supposed to come out the back, holler about. Nigga, my history ain't no mystery. You done made your daddy pull his gangster card. Oh, that boy got a big mouth on him. And he talk loud with them young, big old red, yellow lip. Oh, then that boy loud as a motherfucker. Oh. Yeah, he fucked up with this Adam fire, went up there disrespecting your people, hollering about he standing on business. Boy, if you don't sit your look, you bruise too easy to stand on business. Yeah, that little yellow motherfucker bruise too easy to stand on business. Nigga, boy, everywhere he get touched, it turn red, purple, and blue. Man, please, that ain't ready. You can't stand on business that yellow. Hell no. Nigga, please.
Alright, so you guys just saw that video, and you guys just heard what Charleston White had to say. And, you know, he feels like T.I. should have been, you know,
So with that being said, I'm going to end today's videos here, and I'll see y'all tomorrow when I get some more green ribbon or green mesh. So this is what I have done so far. I'm gonna see you guys later. I'm gonna end this video here. Don't forget to tune in. I'll see y'all tomorrow. So your girl is back from the bouncy park. So your girl is back from the bouncy park. So your girl is back from the park, and Kai and Milani had a great time. They left with their dad, but I'm about to start cooking. But one thing I will say is, now that I'm getting older, me and my mom relationship is so different. My mom sent me a video of her decor that she has done so far, and I sent mom my decor of everything that I did so far. Our relationship is completely different, and I'm here for it, okay? Here for all of it. But I couldn't find any Grinch green, like, you know, light color green. I couldn't find any Grinch green, like the light color green decorative mesh. At the dollar store, I found dark green. So I'm gonna cut off what I did to the door yesterday and put up the dark green on the door, and then I'm going to use the Grinch green on the tree because I can't find any green that color, not in Walmart, not in the dollar store, not in Home Goods, not in Five and Below, nowhere. So your girl's gonna make do with what she has and call it a day. I also got another bow right there, and I got that one from the dollar store because when I went back to Walmart, I could not find any more 98-cent bows. I guess they were all sold out, so I got one from the dollar store, and they look similar, but yeah. I'm gonna finish cooking, and then start on the tree. I'm expecting my purse to come today. I ordered a Teflar medium black, and it's supposed to come today, and I can't wait. I'll definitely unbox it if it comes, but yeah, that's what we're doing today. I'll see you when I'm finished cooking. So this is where I got to. I added the green mesh to the tree. I'm probably gonna stay up late and add these. So I got my Teflar. Yes. So if you never had a Teflar before,
And then, but we have this.
you don't want y'all seeing that.
We have this, and then we're going to open it. It was just the delivery, Mommy. It was just the delivery.
Money. Money, don't feel free. Oh!
First thing, Mommy.
You got a dust bag.
Ooh. We got a trick-or-treat bag, Mommy. What is that?
What are you doing with my stuff? See y'all later. You can put it on the bottom. There's a lot of space up. That there, that's too close. We already have two right here. You can put it on the bottom. There are space on the bottom.
Face on the ball.
You know how it feels. Oh my dear. Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my dear. Oh my, oh my, oh my. See, let's keep it real. We both still young, so what's the rush? Tonight is young, we're not drunk enough. You'll come around if I don't do too much. We had our downs, but we had way more ups. Let's make love. That be the reason that you always hit me up. I swear, you like the way I feel, cause I get buff. You told me your new man gon' make you nut. It's a damn shame. You come here, I knock your pussy out your damn frame. Remember that last time I made you miss your damn pain. Remember that last time I wet you down with champagne. Remember that? And I know I've been the worst, but I love you better. Let me, let's catch a flight, change the weather, and I promise forever. Oh my, if only I could play the field with my love for you. We'd be just in the fucking room. Yeah, we'd be so comfortable. Girl, it's only you for me. No lie, I'll try, but they offer them not who I want them to be. That's not an offer to me. If you're around, baby, when you ain't, you feel alone. And I was wondering if you always know. If don't have to be perfect. I feel like it's worth it. I know now that I've been the worst, but I love you better. Let me just catch a flight, change the weather, then I promise forever. Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, you know,
Say bye-bye. I was using my Temu bag for 1 whole year now. Say bye-bye to her. No one will be seeing her for a while.
Mommy, just waste space over here.
Put it on the bench and place
How about
wherever you want to put it.
I'll
Don't matter.
put it over here, Mommy.
Okay. Now that my kids are older, they are fully involved in decorating the tree. I just give them simple instructions like not putting the ornaments too close together or put it here or put it there. And also every year they color or paint a ornament that they want on a tree. It's not aesthetic, it's not the color that I want to or anything. They do whatever they want and I place it on the tree for them. And this year we did the same thing and they're participating and I'm glad because this should be a family experience. With that being said, I'm going to end this video here. Like, comment, share, subscribe, leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.